Have you ever heard of tonsillitis? Pharyngitis and tonsillitis are throat infections that cause inflammation. If the tonsils are mainly affected, it is called tonsillitis. If the throat is mainly affected, it is called pharyngitis. Our tonsils are the lymph organs of our throat, and they play an important role in the defense of our body since they filter the bacteria and viruses from the air we breathe. The most common symptoms are red and swollen tonsils, a sore throat, difficulty swallowing, white dots under your tonsils, fever, bad breath. If you have had tonsillitis before, you know that it can turn into a real nuisance in your day-to-day, interfering with talking, eating, and even drinking. Luckily, it is possible to help the inflammation in your tonsils go down at home with amazing natural remedies such as the syrup that we are going to show you now. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of fresh basil leaves, 1 tablespoon of sage, 1 tablespoon of white rose petals, 2 garlic cloves, 1/2 of a cup of honey. Instructions: place the basil, sage, and rose petals in a cup and blend or stir them together. Add as much honey as you want. Cover it and let it sit for 10 hours in a fresh, dry space. Once the time is up, strain the mixture well and take a tablespoon 3 times a day. If this syrup doesn't fix your problem, you can try gargling with honey and lemon. In this case, you'll need 1 lemon, 1 clove, 1 cup of boiling water, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Add the peeled and finely chopped lemon and clove to the boiling water and cover the container. Let it steep for a few minutes until the ingredients are tender. Once the time is up, add the honey. Stir everything very well and gargle with it while it is still warm. It's recommended that you do it 3 times a day. Tonsillitis can be very uncomfortable, so it's important for you to see a doctor if symptoms arise and cause discomfort after you've tried these treatments. In this case, only a healthcare professional can recommend the ideal treatment for you. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.